Alright guys, pumping some gas in the F80 now. It's dark out now. Also, don't mind this guy leaf blowing at freaking 10 p.m. bro. But anyways, it's a little loud, I'm sorry. Pumping gas. But anyways, now we're going to the car meet. We're actually gonna stop at 412 real quick because we got a special guest there. And Sam's there too. I'm gonna talk to him about my car and just check out what they're doing right now in the meantime before the car meet. We got like about an hour to the car meet. Look how we're pulling up though. There's no way I'm going to the car meet like this, bro. Oh my God, the wheels aren't even black, bro. Look at it. They're like brown, gray, brake dust everywhere. The car is filthy. What is this? What the? There's no way, bro. That's just spilling water. As if it couldn't get any worse. We got like about an hour to the car meet. Look how we're pulling up though. There's no way I'm going to the car meet like this, bro. Oh my God, the wheels aren't even black, bro. Look at it. They're like brown, gray, brake dust everywhere. The car is filthy. What is this? What the? There's no way, bro. That's just spilling water. As if it couldn't get any worse. Look at the roof. Wow, this car is ridiculously dirty and it needs a car wash. Very freaking bad. So yeah, we're gonna go to the car meet real quick though. Meet up with the homies before we go. Also, I don't even know what gas this is, but I was literally on E. So we're about to go to 412 real quick. My boy with the vet is coming out. You guys all know the red Z06 that I love. He's coming. Also, Kevin I think is gonna meet us there at Nikon. And we're gonna just go to this meet. It's probably gonna get a little crazy, so stay tuned for that. I know you guys like the crazy freaking car meets, even though like they're not the best for the car scene, to be honest. But I mean, you guys like watching it, dude. So I'm not doing no freaking burnouts and donuts in parking lots. Whenever I do it, it's mainly like in a safe area away from everybody. But let's just go to this car meet. I'm pretty sure people are gonna be doing donuts and burnouts. It's gonna get a little wild, I'm sure. So let's go. I don't know why they're throwing the car meet in this city. The city that we're going to, full of cops, bro. Probably the most strict cops in LA. So I don't know whose idea was that, but let's go. Hopefully we don't get pulled over today. It's actually where I got pulled over last time for the window tint. In the same city. Look who it is. Bro, I haven't seen Yusuf in so long, bro. I think you're lost, buddy.
I think what? I think you're lost.
Just kidding. Hi, how are you? Damn! This your new car?
This is my new whip.
No more G80?
No, I still have it. It's getting built.
It got repoed?
Nah, it's getting built. It's getting built.
I know, it's gonna be crazy.
So right now, we're doing the first small brake kit ever.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, for a fat tire. That's gonna be sick. Oh my God, you can put that on there? That's gonna be fire.
Yep.
You like it? Shoo. Damn, that shit's crazy.
Shoo.
Shoo? Shoo back.
Shoo.
How do you like your car? It's sick?
Bro, I love it. It's the best fucking car they made.
Really?
I swear it's better than
Better
M3
than
and M4.
M4. Damn.
It might not hook like an M3 and M4, but...
It's all-wheel drive now.
No, it's rear-wheel drive.
Also, it's completely different.
Shunik!
What's up, Sam?
You look fresh. Where did you get this pants from?
You like it?
You know, from a mirror.
Victoria's
You
Secret.
know what I'm eating?
$1,000 there.
You know what I'm eating? I actually have some news for you guys. I opened my own shop. It's called HCG Performance. My technician was sick today, so 412 was happy enough to help me install some of this stuff. So
Sam's getting it done.
yeah, right now everybody's racing their X-Drive G80s and G82s and shit. I'm about to put rear-wheel drive on the map. You do not need to buy X-Drive anymore to be fast.
It's gonna be crazy.
I'm probably gonna race tonight. We'll probably be in this video.
I'm down. I haven't been to a race in so long. Probably since your last race.
Me neither.
Bro, I haven't been to any races.
That's it. I had to go to the fucking psych med. They 5150 me.
You guys remember we used to see Yusuf race all the time? That shit was crazy, bro. So maybe we'll go see another racing. How about a Papa Willie?
Go. Let's go Papa Willie for sure.
Rear wheel drive. This shit's nice. Sheesh. What are you looking at? You know what you're looking at?
Yeah. It's my first time ever touching this car. I'm a barber. I'm not even a fucking mechanic.
Here, let me fix something real quick.
What is that?
I got you, G. I'm just kidding. No. I cannot work on cars, bro. This is the Kevin spec right here. Look at that. What other cool things do they have? I literally was here yesterday, so not much, but look back here. There's a 6x6. I gotta look at this real quick. Kevin's outside waiting for me, so we gotta hurry up. Oh my God, I forgot to mention this thing. They're actually converting this thing into an M3 Wagon. So E91, right? Not E91, F91 wagon. It's gonna be sick. This thing's pretty much done. The all black Huracan that used to be red, the carbon fiber wheels. I like the red better, but the black is pretty hard too. You can't lie. You can't go wrong with any color on this thing. 6x6, satin black, freaking bad ass. This thing actually was converted to a 6x6. It was just a 4x4 converted to a 6x6. It's crazy, but that is sick. We gotta hurry up. Kevin's outside and he's like, hurry up, bro. We gotta go to the meet. Kevin loves being the first one at car meets, bro. I don't know why. I swear. He likes going like 30 minutes to 40 minutes early. Not me. I'm late to everything. Bro, this wouldn't even fit on my car. Even if I tried. Oh my God, bro. Imagine we did that.
Don't drop it.
Bro, look how crazy it looks. No way. I don't even think it would fit the wheel well, bro. Look.
You gotta cut the whole...
These tires are way too big. God damn. That is sick. I should use it for a thumbnail.
Yeah.
Look what it is. Look how sick, bro. Look at the stitching too. Orange stitching. That's the Kevin spec right here. You would really take this?
Yeah.
No way. This paint? It's pretty hard. Alright guys. We out. The meet's super close, like 8 minutes from phone 2. But there's so many cops around here. I'm sketched out. I want to hear the vet, bro. This vet sounds crazy. Shit is so sick. I want a vet so bad. I'm literally waiting for him to sell it, and I'm gonna buy it off him. I told him already. When are you gonna sell it to me? I literally tell him all the time, guys, to let me buy it.
That's just...
He won't sell it. And I wouldn't either, bro. It's just perfect. Oh my God, stupid loud. With BBS wheels.
I never seen that.
That is red, bro. I know. Who puts BBS wheels on a vet, bro? He said he paid like 12 grand for the wheels.
That's crazy. This is crazy.
Look at the CS over there. I don't know if you guys are able to see it, but right there, look. And then there's a cop back there too. Damn, that CS is sick. Guys, somebody bought one recently and it's gonna get here to Cali soon. And I'm gonna drive it, watch. It's gonna be sick.
CS.
There's like cops behind this guy. Look at this parking lot.
Oh, bro, we have to get out of here.
Cops behind us coming in.
For you, bro. They're coming for you.
I'm scared, bro.
Unless somebody can show me a permit.
Hey, Chris! Chris!
Do you have a permit?
What's up? Oh, yeah, you have the permit, sir? No, I don't have the permit. What's up? But that goes hard. Lips dirty, bro. My boy's exposed.
I know.
Is that Nick? Hey, what's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
Bro,
Sorry, well,
I would feel targeted.
but this is literally my audience right here, bro. Gamer squad. Oh my God.
Well, it's leg workout right now.
Bro, literally with their clutch on. Guys, we literally drove around this parking lot for at least 20 minutes trying to find a parking. We parked in the back of the freaking car meet. Bro, there's like at least 1,000. Oh my God. Oh my God. I was gonna say 1,000 cars, but probably 1,000 BMWs, bro. What's up? Jeez, with the police helicopter. These dudes are wildin', bro. I told you guys it was gonna get crazy. I feel like this, like, I don't know, crowd is crazy, bro. They don't care. Oh my God, look at the Evo. That is nice. Wow, bro, look at the wheel setup on that. Sheesh. That is sick. Bro, those tires are fat. That shit for sure not stock. So yeah, we got a police helicopter. We already got police cars too. But we'll see how long the meet lasts until they like completely raid this place. Damn, look at that. That shit nice. Those wheels are beautiful, bro. But the cops are pissed. Pissed. Again, I don't know why they threw the meat in the city. It's so bad. Look, we got my boy with the Mustang and the center exit exhaust. Maybe see him shoot flames later. Let's follow the cops, see where he goes. Oh my God, actually these lights are too bright.
I said, is it shut down? It is. Look, you gotta ask dumbass questions sometimes, you know. You gotta oh my God, it's confirmed. Right?
Miami blue. It's for sure paint, because he got the plate too. Or is it wrapped and he just went full commitment with the plate? Bro, he's revving and the cop's right there. Are right there.
Yeah, they don't give a fuck.
Damn! That shit sounds crazy. Even with the cops, bro, they don't even care. No one cares. Guys, they are going crazy. The smokers?
Smoked out.
Bro, what is going on?
Like a bunch of ants.
Is that Ferrari on?
I feel like
Bro,
I'm at
this is
Disneyland or
ridiculous.
something.
They're blocking the exit, bro. Oh my God. CS.
That shit hard.
How much is this?
Like 120.
There's so many cops, it's literally ridiculous. SVJ? Bro, that shit sounds crazy. I've never seen this, bro. Police cops on motorcycles at a car meet? Damn, I don't think I should have drove, bro. I should have just rode with somebody because this is bad. The CS is just holding the horn. Motorcycle cops, helicopters. Hopefully we get out of here with no ticket. What's up, bro? Shh, don't say Finding Nick too loud. There's cops. Guys, the worst police officer to get pulled over by is a motorcycle cop. If you get pulled over by a motorcycle cop, guarantee you're leaving with the ticket, bro. There's no way they're gonna let you go. I feel like motorcycle cops are like the worst. 3.
What the fuck out of the way, son?
There's so much going on at once. I'm trying to film it all, guys. Oh my God. Bro, that literally hurts. I'm not gonna lie. With the police helicopter, bro. That might be one of the best sounding cars. I'm not even gonna lie. That and SVJ, bro, the V12.
Fast. Super fast.
Sounds insane.
That's super fast, man.
How much G?
Like 600.
And the MT-40 is clean. Almost bumping in the convertible. I think there's a second spot. This one's obviously shut down. Far past shut down.
Bro, you want to drift the vet?
I'm down. Let me get.
Hit me up.
You let me drift it? I'm down. That's the cool thing about making videos, bro. I meet the craziest people and they let me drive their cars. I don't know why you guys trust me. I wouldn't trust me driving your car. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm pretty good at doing donuts or something. We're going to the second spot now. This is the sketchiest part, is leaving a car meet without getting pulled over. Yeah, he's standing out of his car, good thing. He would have to jump in the car and then chase me, if anything. No, I'd be scared to be in that vent, bro. You hear how loud it is? How is he gonna shut it up next to the cop? But for some reason, I feel like Corvettes have like a pass, bro. Like American muscle car. He tells me too, like sometimes he gets pulled over and the cops love his car. I feel like you just get away. You get the pass when you have a Corvette. America. Guys, that was actually insane though. Like there was at least like 1,000 people there, bro. It's so loud. Second location, guys. They are revving it like crazy. We gotta get in here somehow. We gotta get in here, Thank you for filming, bro. I appreciate that. I couldn't get over there, guys, so I gave him my camera. God, those pops hurt, bro. I was standing right here, I'm like, my eyes confused, everything. My ears, right ears, non-stop. I literally had to give the homie my camera because I couldn't make it in between the crowd. So shout out to the homie for recording the freaking content for me. He low-key risked his ears for this. What's up, G?
Crazy.
You're getting all the good content.
Yeah.
You should start vlogging.
Yeah.
I always see Aries in the front, bro, getting the good content.
VIP, brother.
Look how many people are here. So many people. Oh my god. Yeah, that shit nice. Sheesh, is that the GTR? It is. Look at this plate. Yo, let me get that plate, bro. That shit's worth a lot of money. We got the merch in the wild, bro. The F80 merch. That's so far. This is actually the first shirt I've seen in public, bro. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. Got Aries? Bro, I've never seen this in person. That shit bounces in the Maybach. You gotta get one of those, Nikon. Fuck that. Come on, bro.
We can bounce in it all day.
Bro, I would just drive like that all the time.
There's no way the suspension doesn't break. I see Nikon in one of those.
Yeah, me too, G. Come on.
Get it, bro.
Alright, guys, look at the parking lot. Completely empty, bro. Slowly and slowly, everybody just left. But overall, that car meet was insane. Finally, a good car meet. I feel like the past couple meets we've been to, like the past couple days, they haven't been that cool, bro. Yeah, both locations were wild. If you guys enjoyed that video, smash the like button. Probably a short video, but hope you guys enjoyed. Tomorrow we got a really fun video. We're actually going snowboarding, me and David, so stay tuned for that. Tomorrow we got a snow vlog. First snowboarding trip of the year tomorrow, guys, so stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button so you guys don't miss a video. Smash the like button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see.